Hello, welcome to the another video. Now in this video we are going to talk about how to get approved. Okay, on any affiliate network I can say, because if you try this meetup method on any affiliate network or any pay-per-go network, you are going to get approved for sure. I am saying for sure. Okay, so let's just start first. Open. I'm going to get you approval on market call. So go to the market call, search. Now search it again. Sign up. Sign up as an affiliate, sign up as an advertiser. Always sign up as an affiliate. Now your name. So my name is suppose that Deepak Dubey. Oh, because I already have so many accounts, so do this Subham Jaswal. Okay. Now the email ID. I'm using fake name, but you should use your own name. Hmm. Hmm. Sorry. So now let's choose this. Now, a strong password. I'm going to use this because I don't want to put my real password here, basically. Yeah, that's why. Okay. Now what you need to do, you need to put, yeah. This is now, India, because I am in India. Continue. Okay. Now we get a code on our email ID. So let's open that. Now activate our this. Whenever you create an account, you always select this and this only. You don't have to select anything else. Otherwise, your account will get disapproved. Only select this and this. Next question. I'm already doing affiliate marketing for 7 years now and generated more than 15,000 from affiliate marketing. Now you can do one thing here. You can put a screenshot. What you can do? Just go search I am good. Okay, here you can upload an image and that URL you can paste here. Okay, so what I do for the I think you can say early approval, I just drop some my payment proof here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, there's so many, wait a second. I have so many payment proof earlier because I earned a good amount out of it, out of, the affiliate marketing. So I have so many payment proof. So I'm going to use that. And those who want, that payment proof, they can message me and I will, provide you. Yeah, I'm going to just, put it here. I don't know what is the problem here. Okay, wait a second. Still require not. Yeah, let's check. I don't know what is the problem here, but always I, put and something went wrong. Create album failed. Please try again later. I don't know what is the problem with I am good. There are so many website like that. You can use that as well. I think there is some problem here. So let's search I am good alternative. Yeah, there is one also thing what you can do here. You can upload that image in any other network like Flickr. Okay. Yeah, I don't wanted to sign up. I don't know why I need. Yeah, that is the main problem. I don't wanted to sign up here. What you need to do? You need to just sign up here, and whatever the URL you get. I don't know what is the problem here. Let's upload this. I just wanted to give. I don't know what is the problem I'm good facing right now. IMG box. Yeah. So now that is the link. Now what we need to do we just put here is my payment proof. This. Okay, and after that, please approve my account. I want to promote call offers via Google Ads because I have invoice account. Only thing, you just need to do only this thing only. After that, what you need to do, here you wanted to put, some file, some screenshot of statistics of affiliate number. Here you put this, and after that, you need to put here as well. Now, just click and whatever payment proof you have, you just need to put here as well. You will ask, why you are doing this? Because I wanted to upload at least 2 payment proof. That's why I am doing this. One is there. And after that, what choose vertical you wanted to work with? I wanted to work with only insurance, finance, travel, home services, simple. Only paper call because, we are just going to do paper call only. That's why we are going to select only this. Okay, this. Next, only search, preferred, we don't want anything like this. And after that, that is the completion of the dashboard. And this is the same thing. Okay, so after the finalize, okay, and this thing is done. Okay, so I hope you like that. Okay, that's how we are going to get approval in any affiliate marketing network, and that's how we are going to do it. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.